Hello friends, welcome back to Money, Business and Finance, and today what are we going to talk about is how to get wealthy. All of us want to get wealthy. All of us want to have a lot of money, a big business and extremely good finance. So how do we do that? How do we get or accumulate super wealth for ourselves? There's one secret to it. You need to start investing. And where do you start investing? This starts from investing not in a home. You never invest in a home. This investing starts with investing in you, investing in yourself, investing in upgrading yourself, investing in knowing that new skill, investing in getting that new knowledge, investing in upgrading yourself. You first need to start investing in yourself, and once you think that you are done investing in yourself, or once you think that now you have enough or you have made enough for yourself, that you can also invest at additional places in addition to yourself, then you surely can look for other avenues, look for other sources, look for other areas of investment. But the investment in yourself never stops. Keep it up, make it a point to yourself that investment in yourself has to always be the priority. No matter what age you are of, no matter how much you have made for yourself, you never stop investing in yourself. And when you do not do that, you keep growing. You keep growing exponentially. You do not grow linearly. In a linear way, you grow exponentially. And if you want that exponential growth, if you want that kind of a growth, you have to keep investing in yourself. And when you have a little or maybe a lot spared up from investing in yourself, then you can go look out for extra investment opportunities, be it real estate, be it stocks. I would suggest real estate because that is one thing that is always going to grow and give you an additional source of income. So real estate is one thing that I would be suggesting anybody and everybody to grow super wealthy. But you can find your own areas and avenues. The second thing could be your business. Once you have done investing in yourself, you can always go and first invest in your business before even investing in real estate. And what you should not be doing is, where you should not be wasting your money is investing in a house. Most of the people, the moment you start making some money for yourself, the first thing that the people will start saying you, the first thing that people will start suggesting you is to buy a home. Do not do that. Do not make that decision for yourself, because that is going to ruin your financial life. That is going to spoil your financial life. That is not at all a good investment plan. That is not at all a good and a fair investment plan, because you will only end up incurring a lot of losses. That is what you are going to end up with. So do not invest in a home at the first time. Rather, start investing in yourself. Number 2, start investing in your business. Number 3, if you still have more money left, start investing in real estate and then maybe other areas. But the number 1 always has to be you. The number 2 always has to be your business. Number 3 could be real estate. Number 4 could be other areas. So this is the secret. This is how you can accumulate that super wealth for you and become super wealthy. I hope this helps you, and see you in another video with another topic. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Bye bye.